Okay, I just installed the 2 laser LED brake light with wireless remote control. As you can see, it shows 2 laser beams on the ground. You hit this button on the remote, that one right there. Now they flash. That looks really, really good at night. It's also got this button right here, a little yellow button. When you step on the brakes, you see the light gets brighter. It's got a brake light. When you press the upper button, it makes the brake light flash. So it's flashing just to be more seen. Yeah, I like that when it flashes. Then when you turn the turn signals on, it does like the little Night Rider. And flashes. Left turn signal. And you press it again to cancel. And you press it here, the right. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. It's also got a backlight where the controller lights up. So you can see. Let's see, I showed you the flash. You can turn it off. Solid. You can have that blinking. You press again, you can have it solid with the turn signals. Also, the backlight and the remote has a micro USB port on it, and you plug it up. When you plug it up with your phone charger, this takes an hour to charge. This takes 2.5 hours to charge. I think this has got a 2200 milliamp battery in it. I think this has got maybe 800 milliamps or something, or 80 milliamps. I'm not for sure. But I bought them on eBay for $9. It took, 4 days to get here. They came from California. They didn't have a name on them. They some no-name lights that came from China, I guess. Now, the only problem I did have, it came with a little piece of rubber if your handlebars were smaller. So I cut it in half and put the rubber, half of it up here and half of it back here. But it wasn't enough to go around this. So I also took some door molding from an old car that I took the molding out of. I cut a piece out, stuck it in here to give it more tension around it because it was too big. So that worked out pretty good. And then I got the, what is these, City Street lights in the wheels. 4 AA batteries in the controller. 4 in the back. On a 26-inch wheel, I want to say it was cut for like a 30-inch wheel. And all you do is cut it. You don't have to splice any wires, just cut it. And then push the 2 connectors together to fit your wheel. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Let's see if I can turn the light off. I can dim it. I can dim it down. There we go. And there it is. So I'm ready to do some slow rolling. I got my headlights coming and a mirror. I put this extra wide Swin seat on here. This came from Myers. It was $31. It's a 7-speed, little $100 bike from Walmart. Turning out to be pretty good.